Howdy y'all, Robert from Texas here. Did you guys know that there's 9 different types of intelligences out there? Well, I'm going to go ahead and share with you those 9 different types of intelligences and give you some tips and tricks if you feel so inclined to improve your intelligence in those areas. First intelligence out there is the logical mathematical intelligence. Now these people that have this intelligence, they're the ones that are just really good at math. They're the ones that are just really good with numbers, because in like advanced math placements, when you're talking about trigonometry, advanced math and all that, they actually use letters as part of equations, and letters represent numbers. So they're really good at this kind of abstract thought. So if you want to improve your mathematical, logical intelligence, what can you do about it? Well, first thing would be to put away the calculator when you're doing those easy calculations. Just try to do that stuff in your head. Try to do the simple math in your head. Also, try grabbing an old math textbook from someplace. Go to a library, go to a used bookstore, and do those math problems that you used to do when you were a kid. I mean, try doing that long division again. Try adding up 3-digit numbers and multiplying 2-digit numbers. And do it all without a calculator. The second type of intelligence out there is the VerbalLinguistic intelligence. Now these people, they're the ones that are just really good at reading. They're really good at language. They're also really good at picking up other languages. So how do you improve your verbal-linguistic intelligence? Try your hand at writing poems. And those poems that rhyme might just be what you need. I personally like haiku poems. Also, just try reading more. And try to read stuff that you don't normally read in the first place. Grab a magazine that's the topic that you don't normally know about. A third type of intelligence out there is the body kinesthetic intelligence. These people here, they're the ones that are good in sports. They know how their body moves in space. They just tell them what to do and they can do it. They're the ones that are really good in sports. You tell them how to do something and they can do it because they're really aware of how their body moves in space. So to improve your body kinesthetic intelligence, things that you can do are just to try a different sport, take up dancing classes, or simply just go to the gym and try those group exercises, stuff that you've never done before. And if you do go to the gym, try all the different machines out there. Try all of them. We're trying to improve how our body moves in space. We're trying to be aware of where our body is in relation to our environment. Fourth type of intelligence is the musical intelligence. And these people, they're the ones that are just good with music. They're good with sounds. Say they play the piano and you tell them to play a G major from some other instrument, they know what that is. And honestly, I don't even know what a G major is. Does that exist? So to improve your musical intelligence, pick up a new instrument. Try a new instrument. Try any instrument. And also try listening to music that you don't normally listen to. And I would even go forth as saying, try music from different countries. That's kind of one of the things I like to do. I like to listen to music from other countries. I have no clue what they're saying, but I can sit and appreciate the sounds. Fifth intelligence would be visual spatial intelligence. These people are good at puzzles. They're also good at drawing because they can look at an object and get a different perspective on it, how it would look from somebody else's point of view. These people are also really good at reading maps. And they don't really get lost because they kind of know where they're at. So to improve your visual spatial intelligence, grab a map book. Try to see if you can find the state capitals in there, or different countries, what their capitals are. Try doing more puzzles, and I don't mean like word puzzles. Do puzzles kind of like the Rubik's Cube puzzles, like or maybe puzzles where you have to like unlink chains together. And also try your hand at drawing. Try to see if you could replicate what you see on space. Number 6, naturalistic intelligence. Now these people, they're the ones that have an attention to detail. They can really pick out differences in their environment. Say they're going out for a hike, and they're the ones that can really pick up subtle differences between all the different types of trees, flowers, and even the rocks on the ground. They're the ones most likely to survive in the wild, right? So to improve your naturalistic intelligence, go out for a walk. Even if it's in the city, just be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of everything around you. How does the sky look? What does the ground look like? What's onto your left? What's onto your right? And also, go visit the home improvement stores. Check out their gardening department. Take a look at all the different types of flowers and bushes and trees and see what you can learn from them. Try to pick up on the subtle differences of all those different green things out there. Number 7, existential intelligence. Now these people, they are the philosophers. They think about questions that may not have a real concrete answer to them, like what's the meaning of life, or is there a God? So to improve your existential intelligence, try learning about different religions. What is their interpretation about God? What is their religion based on? Also, try grabbing a book of questions from the bookstore or the library and ponder over all those questions. One of the books I have in relation to questions are those would you rather books. And they're really silly. Would you rather eat 10 toenails in your bowl of spaghetti, or would you rather eat a worm that's found in your candy bar? There's no right or wrong answer, guys. Number 8 is intrapersonal intelligence. These are the people that have really great understanding of their feelings and their thoughts. They're really aware of what they feel. And they're also really good at being self-motivated. So to increase your intrapersonal intelligence, try setting up goals for yourself and see what it takes for you to accomplish those goals. Try meditation, try visualization techniques. Read books on self-help and self-development. And the last intelligence is interpersonal intelligence. These are the people that are just really good communicators. They can talk to other people and they can really understand what they're feeling. They know how to empathize with others. They notice the mood of the other person pretty quickly. So to improve your interpersonal intelligence, start talking to people. Join a different group. Join a new club and then just start talking to people. If you're standing in line at the post office, make a comment to the person next to you. If you're paying for something, strike up a conversation with the cashier. And while you're talking to the people, really look at their faces and try to see if you can understand what they're feeling. Alright you guys, those are the 9 intelligences out there. And actually, honestly, what I think we can be good at any one of these as long as we put in the practice and time needed to learn these things. It's kind of just like a skill set, and it just takes time. Okay you guys, I hope you're all having a good day, and I mean that, and we'll talk later. Bye for now.